A New York City nail technician just learned that one of her late clients left her a sizable sum. New York Daily News reports 72-year-old Karen Parker Gray, who died in August, left her nail tech, Jenny Kim, a whopping $50,000. Kim told the publication that Gray, who was an heiress, had been her client for the past 12 years. Gray certainly isn't the only heiress to give money to non-family members. Back in 2011, ABC reported Huguette Clark, who died at age 104 in New York City, left her nurse $34 million. And Ruth T. Bedford, whose family worked for an oil company, left the Foxcroft School in Virginia $40 million in her will after she died in 2014. Bedford had graduated from the all-girls school in 1932. New life goal: make friends with an heiress. For Newsy, I'm Katherine Beek.